Have you ever walked through an old cemetery, noticing weathered headstones, and wondered how such delicate pieces of history could ever be brought back to life? It is a fascinating blend of science and respect. Professionals restore old memorial markers by employing meticulous, non-invasive cleaning, stabilization, and repair methods. Their goal is to preserve the marker's historical integrity while making its inscriptions readable and its structure sound, avoiding any further damage. The necessity for specialized techniques stems from the inherent fragility of aged stone. Materials like marble, sandstone, and even some granites can become incredibly delicate over decades or centuries. They are susceptible to erosion from weather, damage from biological growth like lichen and moss, and structural issues like cracking or leaning. Using improper methods, such as harsh chemicals or pressure washing, can irreversibly strip away the stone's surface or weaken its structure, erasing the very history we aim to protect. The restoration process typically begins with a thorough assessment. Conservators meticulously document the marker's condition, identify its material, and photograph any existing damage. This careful evaluation guides every subsequent step. Then comes cleaning, which is often the most visible change. Professionals use specialized non-ionic cleaners and soft bristle brushes with deionized water to gently remove biological growth and environmental pollutants. They never use abrasive tools or high-pressure washers, which can cause irreparable harm. Following cleaning, stabilization is crucial. This involves carefully resetting leaning markers to prevent future falls, using gravity footings or appropriate base repairs. Cracks are often filled with a compatible, breathable lime-based mortar or epoxy, chosen to match the original material and prevent moisture penetration. For broken markers, pieces might be carefully re-adhered using specialized stone adhesives, and sometimes even reinforced with internal dowel pins made of non-corrosive materials like stainless steel or fiberglass. An interesting detail is the adherence to the Secretary of the Interior standards for historic preservation. These guidelines ensure that all work respects the marker's original material, design, and historical significance. True restoration is not about making a marker look brand new, but about arresting deterioration and ensuring its continued existence in a stable and readable condition. This often means leaving signs of age and patina, which are part of its unique story, rather than trying to erase them. Ultimately, professional restoration ensures that these silent storytellers continue to communicate with future generations. By understanding the science of the stone and applying respectful preservation techniques, we honor the lives they commemorate and safeguard a tangible connection to our collective past.